Spill tests of liquid hydrogen demonstrated that under these test conditions, hydrogen-air mixtures would not detonate. This film describes an experimental program designed to determine the potential hazards associated with the storage and handling of liquid hydrogen. The explosion occurred at the bottom of the test dewar, propelling a column of liquid hydrogen. Tests were made to determine the explosive potential of solid air in liquid hydrogen. It was found that these materials would detonate only when the percentage of oxygen in the air was increased to 40% or greater. The explosion occurred at the bottom of the test dewar, propelling a column of liquid hydrogen into the air.
And there you can see the enormity of what appears to be a secondary explosion. Whether that was, it could well be the first or some sort of subsidiary explosion. There, another explosion.
In general, it was concluded from this program, mixed with air under unconfined conditions and ignited by a source other than an explosive, it does not detonate, and radiation effects resulting from liquid hydrogen fires are less than those of more conventional fuels. On the other hand, more care must therefore be taken to remove all potential ignition sources from a storage area and to design facilities to withstand the effects of fires resulting from accidental ignition.
They are dying. That's true. And it is what it is.